If you're making your own app from scratch, here's my number one tip for app keywords. So keywords basically help make your app more searchable. They take whatever the user is typing into the search bar in the App Store and they try to match it with your app. And so the tip that I heard from somewhere, which I've always implemented, is that don't really have spaces in your keywords. Like, for example, I'm making a tracker app, but I'm not just going to put tracker app as a keyword because that wastes characters and you only have up to 100 characters for your keywords. Instead, what you want to do is take the main keywords that match with your app and just enter them as a list separated by commas. After that, the search algorithm should be smart enough to match those keywords with whatever the user is searching. Besides that, all I've added is a short description, a short promo text, and URLs for support and marketing. And for these URLs, I just did the same thing that I mentioned in a previous reel, which is just to use a free site like Google Sites or DirectMe to make a simple support page and marketing URL. With this, guys, we should be done with everything that we need to do for our app in App Store Connect. And in the next reel, I'm going to be trying to actually submit it for app review. Happy coding!